Hello, Ron here. I've got a new product here to review from our friends over at StarDRC. I review many of their products here on the channel, and this isn't really a review today. This is kind of a unboxing. This was sent out to me free for review or the first look. I did not pay for this. I do not have to send it back, but StarDRC is not paying me money to do this review. They don't have any editorial control over what I'm saying in this video. They don't get any first approval before I put it up. So full disclosure there. So this is, I guess the name is the S8 FPV remote controller from StarDRC Drones. It has 8 channels, RC flight simulator, and remote controller. So what I've kind of clarified here, this is just a remote controller for a simulation app. You cannot actually fly a drone with this thing. So let's make that clear right away. So you have these kind of on your computer or whatever, you have these simulator apps, and you simulate yourself flying FPV through different environments. Kind of a trainer, helps you get ready for when you fly real FPV. So it's nice packaging here. Like you saw the front here. The back has more pictures of the controllers in different colors back here, and has the usual wordings on the back here, the QR code, company name, and so on like that. But here, I think it's showing you this side of the box the compatible games you can play with this. So some of these names here, Liftoff, I've heard of Liftoff before here, Skydive, AI Drone, I think it's DCL game, Star, Free Rider, some of these I can't name. These are small, I can't even see some of these here. FPV Logic, so seems like it's compatible with a lot of software here. So let's get this open here. Now I've never tried an FPV simulator before on the PC. I don't even really fly real FPV, but let's get this open here. Okay, so here's some instructions here. Looks like I got one in English and one in Chinese. So let's see here. Here's the product itself here. Packed in some typical plastic here. Pull this off here. What else do we have in the box here? Of course, it was in a molded piece of plastic here. Here is a USB-C charging cable here. Get this all the way open here. Open these little bags in easy. And let's see here. It looks like it's USB-A to USB-C. So kind of surprising. Anymore, I'm kind of used to seeing USB-C to USB-C, but this is A to C. So, here is, in this bag here, yeah, let's see if we can get the bag open. I can't tell what it is here. Oh, it's our thumbsticks for the controller here. Looks like pretty nice thumbsticks too. These are like adjustable, so you can change the height of them. That's nice. So some people like a higher stick, so they have more of a throw. So okay, that is it in the box here. Let's put that to the side for a second here. Now, let's see here. This is awful lightweight here. I'm guessing this requires batteries here, but here it's like a kind of a button on the front here. Of course, you got the sticks. It has, two switches on each side. So it has, on the handles here, it has a little raised thing so your hand won't slip off of them here. And I was wrong, it doesn't take batteries here. Why they gave you this is here's the USB charging port right up here. So you would plug the C into the controller and the A into whatever your device is to power things up. So pretty uncomplicated setup. Like I said, there's probably a lot of the manual here is it's one of these fold out jobs. It looks like it's about 4 pages on each side, with this page being just advertisement. So about 4 pages each side, a lot of diagrams here on how to do everything. Yeah, I've never let me pull this off here. I've never done a simulator on the on the PC before, So I can't tell you a whole lot about this. It looks like they have the spring out of this stick. That's important for FPV guys. This one has a spring, but this one doesn't have the spring, which is what you want. It's spring back and forth, but not a spring for up and down, which again is important here. So I guess at the next step of this process, this video here, and I don't know if this will be a separate video or you know, I'll make this into a longer video. I guess I'll have to figure out how to download one of these games here and see if I can, you know, somehow show you me doing it online here. Again, I've never flown FPV, so I don't imagine I'll be too good at any of these games right off the bat here, but we'll try to see if we can get this, you know, working. And again, I'll have to read instructions. I don't know if you know, how you use this with the computer. I don't know if you have to plug it into the computer with this USB-C cable or the USB-A cable. I don't know. It's something I'll have to, you know, figure out in the manual here. So yeah, so that's it for this segment of the video, and it may be the end of this video. So if it is the end of the video, you know, thumbs up, whatever. Leave a nice comment, helps the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and you know, we will see you on the next video. Or if not, if this is the end, then we'll see you in the next segment of the video. Okay, I'm back with the S8 FPV remote controller from StarDRC, and I tried to load one of the FPV simulators on my computer. I have a Mac. And I've never done this before. Apparently I need to download a program called Steam something, and I need that as kind of the base to run these simulators online. Anyhow, I didn't figure any of it out, you know, what I need to do, and you know, I didn't know how you know, what I was going to have to pay. I couldn't figure any of it out, so I did not get to test this on my computer. So sorry about that aspect of it. Again, I've never done this before, and it wasn't as simple as just downloading something or doing it online. I had to download this Steam program, and I just gave up. So that's kind of the end of the review here. So again, just that if you already know how to do FPV simulations on your computer, then you know you've got the hard part done. This, you know, of course, instead of using something like, instead of having like the simulation with like a mouse, using your mouse to, you know, you can actually, you do it with a real controller that simulates what you would actually, you know, you kind of control you would use out in the field to do that rather than mousing around with the flight. So, you know, you get the point of this. I'm going to put the affiliate links in here for the product here. It can be purchased on Amazon.com. I do not know the price off the top of my head, but I know it's very affordable. You know, it doesn't cost a whole lot, so I will link it down below. Again, if you're on Amazon, if you're a Prime member, of course, you get the free day, 2-day shipping on it. So that makes it nice. Okay, I just got word from my sources that this is going for $28.97 or $28.87 on Amazon.com. That's with a 5% discount, brings it down from just over $30. And you can get the 2-day free shipping. It is available in a couple different other colors, except for the white that I showed you. It looks like they have a black and a dark gray also. So you can, like for instance, this is a Thursday for me. I can get it on Saturday if I ordered it right now. I'm a Prime member, of course. And you know what? It's not saying this in the box, but it looks like this may be Windows only. And that's why maybe I couldn't use it on my Mac. Again, I don't know anything about, you know, these simulation programs, how to download them, how to use them. So you correct me down in the comments if I'm giving misinformation, you know, on using this product here. So again, I will drop the link below. I already said the part earlier about thanking you for watching it. So, you know, we covered that already. So yeah, any questions, you know, or comments about the video, put them down below in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.